Ever wondered how secure your device is while surfing the internet? Welcome to the world of internet security, a realm where the unseen can pose a significant threat. Imagine going about your daily internet activities, blissfully unaware of the lurking dangers. These dangers take the shape of malicious files, deceptive links, and unscrupulous websites, all designed to breach your device's defenses. But why should you care? Well, your device is a treasure trove of personal information, financial details, and precious memories. A breach could mean loss, damage, or even theft of this valuable data. Not to mention your device itself could be compromised, leading to poor performance or even total failure. So, how can you protect yourself? The first step is understanding these threats. Knowledge is power, and in the world of internet security, it's your first line of defense. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these threats and how to combat them. Understanding these threats is the first step to securing your device. So, how can you protect your device from malicious files, you might ask? Well, the first line of defense is installing a reliable antivirus software. This software acts as a gatekeeper, scanning files before they're downloaded, alerting you if there's anything suspicious, and even removing harmful files before they can cause damage. Now, simply having antivirus software isn't enough. It's crucial to keep it updated. Cyber threats are evolving every day, with new viruses being created constantly. An outdated antivirus is like a guard sleeping on the job. When you keep your software updated, it's like giving your guard the latest equipment to deal with new threats. Most antivirus software will automatically update itself, but it's good practice to manually check for updates regularly. This ensures that you have the latest virus definitions to protect against new threats. Regularly updating your antivirus software can make a huge difference in your device's security. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Now, what about those dangerous links and websites? Some might appear harmless, even enticing with promises of freebies or sensational news. Yet they could be wolves in sheep's clothing, traps set to unleash malware or other threats into your device. When you click on a link or open a website, you're essentially opening a door. The question is, are you opening it to a friend or a foe? Not every door should be opened, and the same goes for links and websites. It's crucial to be cautious, to look before you leap. One way to do this is by using secure and verified browsers. These browsers have built-in mechanisms to warn you about potentially harmful sites, adding an extra layer of protection. They're like a trusty friend, standing guard, ensuring that you don't unknowingly walk into danger. So the next time you're surfing the internet, think twice before clicking on that link or opening that website. Remember, not every link or website you see is safe to click on. Beyond antivirus, what other protection measures should you consider? Let's delve into the world of anti-malware and anti-spyware programs. These are critical components of a robust security strategy, and they work hand in hand with your antivirus software to provide comprehensive protection. Anti-malware programs are designed to combat malicious software. Think of it as a digital bouncer, keeping the bad guys out. They scan your device continuously, checking for any signs of malicious activity. Now, anti-spyware, on the other hand, is your personal digital detective. It hunts down and eliminates stealthy programs that can sneak into your device and steal your data. Both these programs keep your device safe from threats that antivirus software may not catch. They act as an extra layer of armor, protecting your device from the vast array of digital dangers lurking on the internet. Together, they offer a more rounded defense strategy, each playing a unique and vital role in safeguarding your device. Having anti-malware and anti-spyware programs in your security arsenal can greatly enhance your device's protection. Lastly, let's not forget about firewalls. A firewall is, in essence, a virtual barrier designed to keep out unwanted intruders. It's a bit like a bouncer for your device, scrutinizing the data that wants to get in and only allowing through that which meets the correct criteria. Firewalls are a critical component in device security, protecting your system from unauthorized access. They act as the first line of defense, inspecting incoming traffic and denying entry to anything suspicious. They work tirelessly, sorting through the ceaseless stream of data and fending off potential threats. But a firewall doesn't just block unwelcome visitors, it also allows your device to communicate outwardly, to send emails, browse the web, stream videos without hindrance. It's a careful balance of protection and freedom. So remember, firewalls are not just optional extras, they are essential elements of a secure system. With a properly configured firewall, your device can be much more secure while you surf the internet.